Hey babes, it's David here and I'm with Jolie.
Hello.
And we are going to show you how to create a bunch of different looks using an insanely versatile lip product that's my personal secret weapon, PlumpLine Lip Liner. This lip liner is more than just a lip pencil, it also makes the perfect lip color. For this look, I'm going to use shade Hush Hush. You can start at the Cupid's bow and create a little X before framing the lips. Always start on the outer corner and go upwards the Cupid's bow. That's going to create more of a rounded shape, which makes your lips look super full. It's a little bit of a larger size, so you can easily fill in the entire lip, while the built-in brush makes it easy to blend the color out. As you can see, the result is this lush matte lip. So now I'm going to show you how to create an even fuller lip using multiple plump lines. I'm going to use shade Cloak and Dagger. Start again, framing the lips. You want to create these linear wisps, starting in the center of the lip, mimicking the lip's natural lines. You want to fill in the negative space with White Russian, a super light pale pink nude, perfect color, create an optical illusion, and blend the colors together. So that is how you lip contour and strobe. So you can leave it like this for an optically fuller plush matte lip look, or go big by adding full-on plumping lip polish in shade Dominique to add a little bit of a shimmer shine finish. So Jolie and I just showed you how to create a bunch of different looks with PlumpLine Lip Liner, and this is why it's a babe's secret weapon to seriously plumped lips.